Greetings and congratulations on completing your very first semester in the DNP program. This is a really exciting time. For this particular course, you will now be moving forward with the completion of your literature review and focus on laying that foundation for your DNP scholarly projects. So when you go into the course, go to the Start Here tab first and review the course documents, including the timeline for completion of assignments. For this particular course, one of the first requirements is to meet with me, and we will do so virtually and establish your contract, so to speak, with your specific timeline. So this is very individualized to you. So please feel free to contact me to make arrangements if we haven't already done so. And know that your modules contain the contract for Nursing 790 Success, as well as information on the student learning outcomes, with an overall matrix for each of the learning outcomes. So just know that that is included. And again, this is a structure of the course that is very different from what we've done before. So it's driven by student learning outcomes and achieving those outcomes through the timeline. So again, it's very individualized to you. So in addition, don't forget to submit your forms within the Brightspace portfolio. When you complete those forms, make sure that you have all of those forms uploaded both in the course itself and in your portfolio. You will need to complete a total of 150 hours this semester, excluding your transfer or certification hours. So the primary assignments for this course include completion of your chapter number 1, which you have a really good start, as well as your first PowerPoint presentation to your DNP committee. So I suggest making arrangements early to work with your 3 committee members to establish a date and time for the PowerPoint presentation. And just know that there is also a rubric available for you for that presentation. So take a look at that as well. And as always, please don't hesitate to contact me if I can be of any assistance to you in any way. And I really look forward to sharing this course with you. Let's go ahead and get started.